we'll guide you through how to make spin zoom transition Alight motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, find and open your Alight motion. Next, press the plus button at the bottom of the screen to create a new project. Set your project ration according to your needs, then press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. After that, press the plus button in the bottom right corner and import the footages that you want to use. Once both footages are added to the timeline, adjust the position of both footages so they are arranged correctly for the transition. Select the first image and go to Move and Transform. Then open the rotation option. Turn on the rotation keyframe and set the first keyframe value to 0. Move forward a few frames and set the second keyframe value to -180. After that, open the graph editor on the left side and set the graph based on the motion style you need. Next, go to the second image and do the same process. Open the rotation section and set the first keyframe value to 180. Then set the second keyframe value to 0. After setting the keyframes, open the graph editor and adjust the graph according to your preference. Once the rotation setup is complete, go back to the first footage and open the scale option. Turn on the scale keyframe and set the first keyframe to the default scale setting. Move to the position of the second rotation keyframe, then scale down the footage. After that, copy the rotation graph and paste it into the scale graph so both animations follow the same motion pattern. Next, go to the second footage and turn on the scale keyframe. Scale up the footage at the first keyframe, then set the second keyframe back to the default scale value. Make sure the scale keyframes are placed at the same positions as the rotation keyframes so the animations stay synchronized. Finally, paste the rotation curve into the scale curve and reverse the curve.